I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook lemon pepper chicken. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. It's important to ensure your chicken breasts are roughly 1 inch thick. This helps them cook evenly and thoroughly, preventing some parts from drying out while others are still undercooked. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get those chicken breasts perfectly seasoned. Begin by patting the chicken dry with paper towels. This simple step helps the seasoning stick much better. In a small bowl, whisk together the fresh lemon juice, olive oil, lemon pepper seasoning, and garlic powder until well combined. This creates our flavorful marinade. Next, pour about half of this mixture over the chicken, making sure every side is thoroughly coated. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes to infuse those wonderful flavors. It's time to cook our delicious lemon pepper chicken. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want it nice and hot. Carefully add the marinated chicken breasts to the skillet, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook them for 5 to 7 minutes per side until they are golden brown and cooked through. The most crucial step for safety and flavor is to ensure the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. A meat thermometer is your best friend here. Once your chicken is cooked, don't rush to cut into it. Let it rest for 5 minutes after removing it from the skillet. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful bite. For an extra burst of zesty flavor, drizzle the remaining marinade over the cooked chicken just before serving. This lemon pepper chicken pairs wonderfully with a side of roasted vegetables, like asparagus or broccoli, or a crisp, fresh green salad. Enjoy your perfectly cooked meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.